Welcome to another episode of Thread Talks by Needlepoint.com. In this video, we will be providing an overview of Elizabeth Bradley wool. Elizabeth Bradley wool is a tapestry wool spun and dyed in the United Kingdom, and it comes in a range of 400 colors. EB wool is strong and durable, making it perfect for cushions, carpets, and more. EB wool can be purchased in 10-yard cards and 60-yard hanks, all of which designate their dye lot so you can ensure even coloration throughout your project. If you plan to stitch with EB wool in the Victorian cross stitch, then 10-count interlock canvas is preferred. If you plan to stitch with EB wool in basket weave or continental stitch, 12 or 13-count mono canvas is usually preferred. Start stitching with EB wool today and create stunning heirloom pieces that last longer than a lifetime with Needlepoint.com.